Today I'm here at the Honeyman stall, and today we have with us Mr. Yuvraj Kapoor. So I wanted to ask you one question. So what is the common myth of honey in nutrition that must be busted?
Okay, so the one common myth that needs to be busted that is going around all over the world is that if honey is crystallized, it's not pure or it's not of good quality. That is completely a myth because it's in honey's nature to crystallize. For example, if we take coconut oil, you can have or you can apply or consume coconut oil even if it's crystallized or liquid. Same goes for ghee. People consume it when it's crystallized in a crystallized form or in a liquid form. But when it comes to honey, there is a big misconception that is going all around the world that if it's crystallized, it's not pure. It's in honey's nature to crystallize. You cannot stop it. You can delay the process. Yes, you can delay it for some time, but you cannot stop it. If it crystallizes, you can just put it in a warm. You can put the jar of honey in a warm water, and it will come to its natural. In America, people do consume crystallized honey because they use it to spread it on the bread and everything. But here in India and a lot of countries also, it's a big myth that if it's crystallized, it's not good. So that is one myth that I would like to bust. That crystallized honey is actually a pure honey.
Tell our audience that what are the unique benefits of the honey? Like mostly जो common benefits है उसके अलावा.
Unique benefits of honey, I mean everyone knows that it is it has antioxidant properties, it has healing properties. You can put it on your wound and it will heal it quickly. Even we have a brand called Melafera. We have it's a personal care brand. We have put honey inside our personal care products like face wash, shampoo. So because honey is not only good for consumer, it is also good for your face, for your hair, for you to apply it on your body. Yeah.
So honey is not just for eating; it's for skincare also, right?
Skincare.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.